Search engine optimization, or SEO, is critical for online visibility. Without it, your website could get lost in the crowd. Here we'll explore 5 practical SEO strategies that can improve your rankings and help your audience find you faster. What are keywords? Keywords are the words or phrases people type into search engines when looking for information. They connect your content to your audience's queries. Using the right keywords ensures your website appears in search results when users need your products or services. Researching keywords involves identifying terms relevant to your business. Use tools like Google Keyword Planner or SEMrush to find keywords with high search volume and low competition. Focus on long-tail keywords to capture more specific traffic. For example, instead of SEO tips, use SEO tips for small business owners. Title tags and meta descriptions are the first things users see on search results. A compelling title tag under 70 characters and a meta description within 160 characters can improve click-through rates. Include primary keywords naturally in both. Structuring content for readability is crucial. Well-structured content improves user experience and SEO. Break text into short paragraphs, use bullet points, and include headers with keywords. Clear, scannable content keeps readers engaged and encourages longer site visits. What makes a backlink valuable? A valuable backlink comes from a reputable, high-authority website. Links from trusted sources signal search engines that your content is reliable and worth ranking higher. Strategies for earning backlinks include creating high-quality, shareable content like infographics or guides. Reach out to industry influencers or write guest posts for authoritative blogs. These efforts build your backlink profile over time. So, why does mobile optimization matter? Well, more than half of web traffic these days comes from mobile devices. If your website isn't mobile-friendly, you risk losing visitors. Google also prioritizes mobile-first indexing. This means that your mobile site directly impacts your rankings. Let's talk about tools to test mobile friendliness. You can use tools like Google's Mobile Friendly Test to identify areas for improvement. It's important to check your site's responsiveness, page load times, and ease of navigation on those smaller screens. Improving site speed is essential. Page speed is a critical ranking factor. Compress images, use caching, and enable a content delivery network, or CDN, to improve loading times. Faster sites offer better user experiences. Fixing crawl errors and broken links is crucial. Regularly audit your site using tools like Screaming Frog or Google Search Console. Fix broken links and resolve crawl errors to ensure search engines can index your site efficiently. By applying these 5 strategies, you'll improve your website's SEO and connect with your target audience effectively. Start implementing these today for long-term success. Thanks for watching.